Hi everybody, welcome to ACE Engineering Academy and ACE Online. This video is regarding M.Tech admissions in IIT Dharwad, dear students. So let us see these details here. So in order to go and see the details, you have to use the URL iitdh.ac.in/mtech. So here, once you go, you can see Autumn 2026-2027 M.Tech admissions application window will open from 25th March 2026, dear students, and it will be available till 26th April 2026, dear students. So this is the important dates related information, and here you can see, so what are the specializations available? Computer science and engineering is there, electrical, electronics and communication engineering is there, mechanical, materials and aerospace engineering is there. So these are the departments, dear students, and related to specializations and all, the information brochure is there where you can see all the complete details. This is a 26-page information brochure, dear students. So now you can see the important dates here. Launching applications online. So applications will be launched from 25th March 2026. Last date to apply is 26th April 2026, dear students. So reporting and document verification is 27th July 2026 and M.Tech orientation program is 29th July 2026. So the detailed schedule will be uploaded later. That is what he has given here. And so first thing what you need to do is you need to register in the COAP portal, dear students. So here you can see the important information. M.Tech program in CSE, M.Tech program in electrical engineering with specializations, M.Tech program in mechanical engineering. So let us go for M.Tech program in electrical engineering with specializations. Here you can see microelectronics and VLSI is there, communication signal processing and ML is there, power electronics and power systems is there. So related to that, all the information is given. So what will be available in the course, everything is given, dear students. So these are the three specializations that are available in the electrical engineering department. So coming to the mechanical engineering department, so here you can see three specializations are available: M.Tech in thermal and fluids engineering, M.Tech in manufacturing and materials engineering, M.Tech in design engineering. So the related information is also given in the PDF format. So you can see, so the 4 semester related information is given, dear students. Kindly go through this carefully. So this is a 15-page document where you can find the entire syllabus also. So you can go through this. Okay. Then coming to the computer science engineering related specializations. So here you can see M.Tech in computer science engineering. So the 2-year M.Tech program in CSE at the Indian Institute of Technology, Dharwad is proposed to provide students with deep understanding of theoretical foundations and advanced concepts in computer science engineering. So here you can see only one specialization is available, that is computer science and engineering. So the course related information, the electives that are available, the subjects, everything is given, dear students. Kindly go through this information very carefully. Now, as of now, the application form is not yet open because it will be open on 25th March 2026. I am not able to show you how to register for this portal. So, but you can easily register, dear students. Always try to maintain a separate email ID so that you will have a proper information from this IITs regarding admission process and everything. And moreover, try to check the spam mails also so that you can see or you can not miss any kind of information that is sent by these IITs when you have applied. Okay. Now coming to the information brochure, dear students. So 26-page information brochure is there. So let me show you what is available in this brochure. So here you can see teaching assistantship related information is there, dear students. So you can observe here. So funded by the Ministry of Education, formerly known as MHRD, the TAs are expected to assist in the academic administrative work for smooth functioning of the institute. Students under this category are entitled to financial support as per the MOE norms. The assistantship is payable for a maximum duration of 2 academic years. At present, the monthly rate is 12,400 rupees, dear students. That is the related to information related to the stipend. Then application process is there. So first of all, you need to register in the COAP portal and note the COAP registration number. So then you have to apply for IIT Dharwad MTech admission, dear students. So you have to click on register or sign up and provide your details. Please note that the phone number and email ID that you provide while registering should be valid till the admission process is completed. So that's why I'm telling you, dear students, in every video that try to maintain a separate email ID for these admission process. Don't link it with your social media email account, because lot of messages will come and lot of emails will come, dear students. You might miss the important information from these IITs for your administration process. So after registration, you will get an email with your user ID, username, and along with a link to set your password. Set a new password by clicking on the link. Note down your user ID and password for further reference. So log in using your user ID and password. Fill all the application forms step by step, then pay the application fee through IIT DH e-pay facility. So that is what is given here, dear students. So general EWS, OBC and all other candidates, 200 rupees is there. So female, SC, ST, PWD category students, 100 rupees is there for each specialization, dear students. So kindly go through this information very carefully. So regarding the photo size ID proof related information also he has given, dear students. Passport size photograph should be in between 50 KB to 200 KB. Okay. So GATE scorecard details, everything you have to fill, dear students. Kindly go through all this information. So which is very important for filling your application forms. So regarding fees, deposits and hostel rent, so the entire information is given here, dear students. Kindly go through this information. So before applying, okay. So information related to hostels, everything is given, dear students. Kindly go through this. And then department specific information, already I have shown you. So what are the specializations available that are there? So here he has given what is the qualifying degree required, what is the GATE paper required, and minimum eligibility criteria, minimum of 60% without rounded off in aggregate over the entire duration of the undergraduate program. So regarding CGPA, 6 on the scale of 0 to 10, that is what he has given. MSc in computer science or MCA people are also eligible to apply for this computer science specialization, dear students. Kindly go through this information carefully. For each and every department, they have given the information separately, dear students. So you can go through all this information. So here you can see computer science is over. Now Department of Electrical, Electronics and Communication Engineering. So here the entire information is provided, dear students. Okay, so let me get back to the initial page. So you can see the application window will open from 25th March 2026 and it will close on 26th April 2026, dear students. Kindly note down all these details. First of all, register in the COAP portal. Then note down the COAP registration number. Keep your GATE scorecard safely and your valid ID proof, photo, everything before filling the application form, dear students. Okay, thank you. All the very best.